If you want to unpublish a website on GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the process step by step in the fastest and simplest way. Whether you are taking a site offline temporarily, making updates behind the scenes, or just no longer want it visible to the public, GoDaddy makes it easy to unpublish your website directly from your dashboard. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, log into your official GoDaddy product page using the account that manages the website you want to take offline. Once you're signed in, you should land on your main GoDaddy dashboard where all of your products and services are listed. Take your time here and make sure you are working in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website. Next, scroll down until you find the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is where GoDaddy stores your website builder tools and site management options. Under this section, look for the specific website you want to unpublish. If you have multiple sites, double-check the site name so you don't open the wrong one. When you find the correct site, click Manage next to it. This will open the management area for that website and give you access to the editing tools and settings tied to that project. From there, select Edit Website. This opens your active website builder dashboard, where you can make changes to the design, content, and publishing settings. Now that you're inside the editor, look at the top navigation panel and click Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps the publishing controls and other site-level options. In the Settings menu, you should see an option labeled Unpublish. Click that option to begin the process of taking your website offline. GoDaddy will then ask you to confirm your decision. This is an important step because unpublishing your site will remove it from public view until you choose to publish it again. If you're sure you want to continue, click Yes, Unpublish when prompted. After that, your website will no longer be live to visitors. And that's it. You've now successfully unpublished your website on GoDaddy. This is a really useful process to know if you're redesigning your site, making back-end changes, or simply want to pause your website for a while without deleting anything permanently. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.